Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a nearby KFC restaurant on the KFC application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the restaurants section down below, which is the third option. After that, you should allow the application to have access to your location, so tap on go to settings, where you need to allow the app to have access to your notifications. So first of all, find the app, tap on it and click on notifications. As you can see, it is now allowed, so if you go back you will be able to find or search for restaurants on this map. So zoom in to find your city, and then if you tap on this red button you are going to find the available restaurants nearby. If you click on it you will be able to see the opening hours, drive-through, and basically that's it. So if you want to order, you can choose the order and pick up option. So it means that you should indicate the address of that restaurant that you have selected from the map, and you can order food and pick it up at the restaurant. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.